Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mohammad Faiz from class 6. Today we are going to represent the types of quadrilaterals. I am square, my all sides are equal and each angle are right angle. My diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. My area is side into side and my perimeter is 4 into side. Thank you.
Sir. My name is Akashma from class 6. I am written the rectangle. I am rectangle. My opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each angle is right angle. My diagonals are equal and bisect each other. My perimeter is 2, length plus breadth. My area is length plus breadth. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Kanpande from class 3. I have a parallelogram. My opposite sides are equal and parallel. My opposite angles are equal. My adjacent angle are supplement. My area is base into height. My perimeter is 2L plus B.
From class 6, I am going to represent rhombus. I am rhombus. My all sides are equal and opposite sides are adjacent. Angle of supplementary. My area is half into diagonal, 1 into diagonal 2. Thank you.
My name is Sridhar S in class 6. I am parallel. My one pair of sides are parallel and my area is 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side into rectangle.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Abhay Sharma. I am from class 6. I am a kite by two pairs of equal adjacent but two unequal opposite sides.
Thank you.